Hello guys, welcome to your 30th C++ tutorial. This is Anirudh here, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about dynamically initializing strings. So, what essentially this program does is it will create a string class that contains a string and its length. When the object is created, the memory is allocated to hold the string and the initial length is set to 0. When the string type object is destroyed, the memory is released. Okay, pretty simple. Now, from this description, it is pretty much easy to find that we will require what can we say, a constructor as well as a deconstructor, which means we will be using classes. So, but first let me include some essential files that will make it easy for me to do the program. C string and include cstdlib. That's it. So first I create this class called class str type. I can't call it string because it's already reserved keyword. Okay, so I create a character pointer which is private. By default it all becomes private here. Okay, and I'll be creating, what the hell happened here? Okay, now integer length that will contain the length of the string and some public functions, string str type, a constructor. I'll be defining it here itself. No, not defining it outside because it will require more lines of code. So p equal to character pointer. What I'm doing here is typecasting it actually. Character pointer and malloc, memory allocate, and then 255. That will be the size of our, let's say, string. If not p, okay, that means if p is 0, then do this: cout allocation error and end the line there and exit. Just exit the program from right here. Okay, so after this I set the pointer, character pointer, equal to this end of string character. Okay, very important, I'll explain it to you later. Length equal to 0, and that's the end of our program. Well, let's say constructor. So now we create our deconstructor. Remember, if you remember, then the deconstructor is essentially the same constructor but with this tilde. I think it's called tilde. Okay, this is a deconstructor here. Deconstructor. There we go. And just I'm going to just type a single line: cout freeing, and I call the function free p. Pretty much inbuilt functions. That's what I like about this. Okay, so next what I do is create a function named set, which will take in a pointer in its parameter. Okay, so I can't call this set, I think, so I'll have to call this seat. Okay, it's a very weird name, but what can I do? It's a reserved keyword, I can't use it. So if strlen p, length of the string p, is greater than equal to 255, then cout string too big. Okay, and return. There we go. And I think the if is done here. So string copy p comma str. There we go. And len equal to strlen p. So I think the class is nearly done here. Just one more function and we are going to be finished. Void show, very simple function, cout p length just this len and end the line there. So I think the class is done. So let me just type the main one. So str type s1 and s2, creating the two objects, and s1 dot set, this is a test, s2 dot, I forgot it is seat random spam. There we go. s1 dot show, s2 dot show, return 0. I think the program is done. I think it should run now. Nothing new in this. Okay, so I think I made a tiny little mistake here. Yes, I forgot to put the semicolon here, and now I think it should. This is embarrassing. Okay, I typed in str, so it should be ptr. And yes, now I think it should work. Don't know if it will. Okay, I just need to put the end line here. Okay, so yes, there we go. This is a test. Length is 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Thank God. So it's working. Thank you. Well, sorry for the errors here, but okay, so this is what essentially this occurs. So I include these two libraries extra as well as IOStream. So create str type class, private, these are the two private variables, and this is the str type, the constructor. So what does this do is essentially set p and allocate memory to it. Okay, 255 bytes of memory. Then if not p, then that means if p is equal to 0, then that is an error, because if you don't have any memory to allocate only, then there will be an error. And p will be the last p character will be set to this, the end of string character. This will allow the str length, string length function to find the length of the string. That is how it occurs. If you don't know how did we find the length of the string, please visit my previous video. I have got a very detailed algorithmic explanation of it. Then we create the deconstructor, which will free the memory essentially. And now I wrote it seed because set is a reserved keyword, it seems. So which takes in an pointer, character pointer in its parameter. So as the if and then we check the length of the string. If it is too big, then error handling essentially. Then string copy this. Okay, string copy the p, that is the end of line character, and the ptr, the string that has come. Then we copy it into p, and then we get the length of p, and then we show p. That is what we are essentially doing. It's a very simple program. I made some silly errors here, so sorry for that, but thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay cool.